Welcome. In front of me I have fake Samsung. This smartphone comes from Amazon and it's called Android phone A82, and I will show you how you can find and manage sound settings in this device. So we have to go for the settings. Next, click on the sound and notification, and when you are here we can quickly change currently profiles, just like that. And if you want to customize, you have to tap on the settings icon. You can change alarm volume and ringtone volume. You got here also the phone ringtone that you can change. Oh, I just muted the ringtone so you are not able to hear that. And we can activate vibrations, change other settings like screen lock sounds, vibrate on the touch, and touch sounds. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.